Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go settings not showing. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go settings not showing, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, we click on Monopoly Go. Then this list of app and for you, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end, you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds, and you can turn on your phone again to fix your issues. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.